No matter what they say about Christmas time, it is still the most wonderful time of the year. And the Maverick would like to wish all the sports commentary viewers and friends, we say happy holidays. It's the time of the year when we should let bygones be bygones and celebrate life with friends, family, and loved ones. And I just want to say to all our colleagues and counterparts across the sporting spectrum, though might have little differences throughout the year. Don't take it personal. Don't carry a heavy heart into the Christmas season as you all eat, drink, and celebrate Christmas and celebrate life and push forward into the new year to make it a better year than the old year. Remember, sports will be sports and commentary will be commentary and the Maverick will be the Maverick. Fear and spirit. So as we all celebrate Christmas, I want to wish you and yours a very Merry Christmas and a most prosperous New Year. And remember, it is still the most wonderful time of the year. Oh, yes, it is. It's the most wonderful time of the year.